Hello and welcome to the German lesson number 1, the easy way. I will try to teach you German the easy way so you don't get tangled through all the grammatic stuff and everything that you don't necessarily need in order to communicate with Germans. So, as it's well known, or probably not, you will not find a lot of Germans that speak English. Even nowadays, there are more and more people speaking English in Germany. Now, if you're an expat or you want to come to Germany or whatever your status is, but you do have connection to German-speaking people and you need to learn German, at least the basics, this is the place to be, because I will teach you fast and effectively how to communicate with German-speaking people. So, this is the lesson number 1. Oh, sorry. I forgot to introduce myself and my little friend here. The name's Chris, and this is my friend with no name. This is a dragon. He's grounded because he spits around the house. And as you know, dragons, especially this sort, they spit fire. So the house almost catched fire, but we're safe now. It's okay. He learned his lesson, and I guess he's not gonna spit around the house anymore. Sorry, what? Yes, about the German lesson. Pisses me off because you're always trying to talk me into things. What? Again? Yes, I'm going to talk about the German lesson. So, you know what? You kind of piss me off. You guys want him around or not? I mean, it's kind of bothering me, and he's keeping us from doing this German lesson properly. Yes, I know you want to help, but you're not doing it. You know what? Take a hike. Okay? Take a hike. No, don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. Just take a hike. Say bye. Yes? And take a hike. It's okay. Don't cry, I said. Now he's crying, and it's also difficult with him crying because he's crying acid tears. So tears out of acid, which will actually damage everything they touch. That's right. You need to keep him happy. Okay, going back to the German lesson. The first word that I want you to learn in German is how to say thank you. Why? Because it's similar to a word in English and you can learn it very fast. So, if you remember the word donkey, like in donkey, it's close to the word danke, which means thank you in German. So remember, donkey, in order to say danke, danke is the correct word in German for thank you. I think the first things to learn in German are also the greetings. How you say hello or hi, you say hallo. So you see, it's also very similar. Hallo do the Germans say when they greet each other. They can also say in the morning, for good morning, they say guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. So good morning, guten Morgen. Good day or good afternoon, they say guten Tag. Good evening, it's guten Abend. So these are the main greetings that you find in German language. To continue with something that you need to learn in the beginning in Germany, you need to learn that for ID card, they say Ausweis. So ID card is Ausweis. I want, if you want to ask something in German, you can say ich will, which means I want. It's kind of rude, but if you add the magic word bitte, so please, in the end, it will not sound so rude. So you can try this if you want to ask something in Germany. Ich will Wasser. I want water. Ich will Wasser. Or ich will essen. I want to eat. But you can add the please word in the end, which goes like this, bitte. So bitte means please. For you to order water, you can ask Ich will Wasser bitte. That means I would like to have some water, please. Or Ich will essen bitte. I would like to eat, please. Don't forget the bitte word because it's very magic in German. It will turn any apparently unrude demands into something more polite. The next thing we will learn is how to say no or yes. No is nein and yes is ja. However, the negative part, so the no, does not apply simply like that in sentences. The nein you will use only if you simply answer to a question with no. If you have a more elaborate answer, like for example, I cannot. If somebody asks you if you can do something and you have to answer that you cannot, you have to say as follows. Ich kann nicht. I can, ich kann. I cannot, ich kann nicht. So, the word nicht at the end of the sentence adds the negativity to everything you said before. So, ich will nicht, I do not want. Ich will, I want. Ich will nicht, I do not want. And the last example that I will give you today is how to say I love you in German. So, I love you. Ich liebe dich. The exact opposite for that is Ich liebe dich nicht. I do not love you. This being said, I do love you guys. So, have a great day and see you soon with new lessons about how to speak German, how to be an expat in Germany and be successful at it, and also how to deal with the German system. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell so you can see when I add a new video. Thanks for watching again. Bye bye.